and welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon slushies. They are so delicious and really healthy because all you need is fruit. So the first thing all you need is watermelon and then a choice of other fruit and some lime. That's it. Okay, so the first flavour I'm going to show you is watermelon and strawberry. So I had a whole baby watermelon and yesterday I cut it in half and I chopped half of it and I put it in the freezer. So the day you want to drink it, ideally freeze it the day before or the morning before. So I'm just going to cut up the rest of this watermelon. Use my finger just to kind of knock out the seeds. So once you've got your melon into wedges, just cut it up into rough chunks. So at this point, if you've got little kids, they can just have quite a blunt knife really, and just help break that up into the pieces. But first I just need to get the juice out of 2 limes. So top tip, if you want to get some juice out of citrus fruit, it's a really good idea to roll it on the surface. So just use your pressure and that really helps it to yield a lot more juiciness. So just kind of squeeze down on a juicer and just kind of squash it against that and just make sure you get as much of your juice out as you can. And if you see any seeds, just make sure that you whip them out before you put it into your slushie. So I'm just going to pour this into a little bowl and just get the juice out of my second lime. If you don't have a juicer, you can just squeeze it into a bowl. Just squeeze it over your hands like that and just catch the seeds or just pick them out after. So we've got lime juice and some strawberries and some fresh watermelon. So I'm just going to cut these strawberries in half because they're quite big before I put them into my food processor. So I did exactly the same thing that I did with this half and I just popped them into the freezer overnight. So they're all frozen because it's a slushie, so we need it to be nice and icy cold. And this is going to, when it's all blended, merge into the perfect slushie. So just pop my fresh fruit into here. There we go, so that's my fresh fruit in there. My frozen watermelon. So I'm just going to add my lime juice in. Pop the lid on. Obviously if you're doing this with little kids, just make sure you supervise them if they're using a food processor. And I'm just going to blitz it until it's all slushy and smooth. So I've got my jolly glasses here. So let's just fill these up with our lovely slushies. So I'm going to show you a couple of other flavours. I've got some pineapple and some mango and some blueberry and raspberry. So let's get them whizzed up as well. So in goes my watermelon. That's looking perfect. Oh, it smells delicious. So let's pour this one out. Delicious, look at those. Now I'm going to do exactly the same as I did before. I'm going to show you a different flavour. So I've got my half fresh watermelon, half frozen watermelon, 225 grams of pineapple and mango and some lime juice. So let's get these in the food processor. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I hope you make your own slushies. And if you do, share pics and use the hashtag #StaySafeGetCooking. I'd love to see some of yours and perhaps you've got some different flavours you're going to make. See you soon, bye!